Now to bring you a market update, Sri Lanka's stock market crossed the 1 billion rupee mark for the third consecutive week as the S&P/SL climbing 3.29 points to close at 2,290.85, while the ASPI was up by 17 points. Brokers say that the index recovered from a drop in the first half hour of trading today, continuing sideways movement until noon before picking up into an upward trajectory for the rest of the day. Market turnover for the day amounted to 1.27 billion rupees, with 98 stocks making gains and 51 falling. Now here's a brief report on today's market performance.
Today also market ended in the positive territory for the 9th consecutive trading session. We saw the ASPI gained by about 17 points while the S&P/SL 20 gained by about 3 points today. So we saw significant interest in the banking sector counters again today, primarily focused on the local buying interest. So we saw commercial, HNB and Sampath taking priority, while also John Keel's Holdings, NTB, Hemas were some of the other shares that there was significant investor interest today. Foreign participation was rather low today, around 10%, while the local participation was very high, about 90% today. However, we still saw a net foreign outflow of around 160 million rupees, mainly in Nations Trust Bank and Hemas and Commercial Bank. In addition, we saw again the turnover crossing 1 billion mark. The turnover actually has crossed the 1 billion mark for 3 consecutive weeks on the trot. So we are seeing strong turnover levels on a continuous basis now, mainly with the interest of the local investors. With the low interest rate environment that is prevailing, there seems to be a significantly higher level of investor interest in the equity market.